All right, so we did robot automation, and that's pretty much the use of robots in everyday jobs, replacing people and completing tasks that normally people do in everyday jobs. So.
And finally on the webcast today, reinventing the restaurant. With rapidly developing technology, it seems like it's only a matter of time before robots replace waiters at your local eatery. In Germany, the future has already arrived. Here's the BBC's Steve Rosenberg.
Germany has given the world many great inventions. The aspirin, the airship, the diesel engine. But surely nothing ever as weird as this. From Nuremberg, it's the automated restaurant. No waiters, no waitresses. Here the food makes its own way to your table. And the way you order your food is fully automated too. Each seat is numbered and colour-coded. All you have to do is choose your number on the touchscreen TV. That brings up the menu, so you can browse through the menu. Beef steak with salad, that'll do me. So you order that. Then you put in the chip card, and that keeps a tab of all your order. You pay for it later. And now that's ordered. The order pops up on a computer screen in the kitchen. The food's freshly prepared by the chef. They haven't found a way of automating him just yet. Then it's put on the rails and dispatched downhill.
You can work it in a very efficient way because you can save labor costs. You don't need the waiters to run to the customers, take the orders, run to the kitchen and back to the guests.
And who needs cleaners when there are robots to mop up? The Germans believe their fast food will spark a revolution in the restaurant business, making mealtimes not only more efficient, but also much more fun. Steve Rosenberg, BBC News, Nuremberg.
All right, so from the video we just watched, we can see that robotic automation was already being applied to business 7 years ago. So there has already been a lot of application to the industry world. So first of all, let's talk about the roles of robots. Robots are used to perform specific manual tasks such as painting, welding, and some assembly line jobs.
Computer track inventory, time delivery of part control, the quality of production, monitor wear and tear on machine, and schedule maintenance.
Automation reduces the time that materials and machines sit idle and reduce waste in facilities, raw materials, and labor.
All right. So from a business standpoint, robotic automation makes a lot of sense for many reasons. The typical characteristic benefits of robotic automation are reduced cost, increased speed, increased accuracy and consistency, improved quality, and improved scalability of production. So these characteristics carry different importance across differing applications. A notable difference in impact can be observed between manufacturing and service sectors, where the benefits conferred by these characteristics can differ greatly in significance. So there's a lot of positives that can come out of this. The first impact that robotic automation has on employment would be replacing people in the workplace. So, for example, if someone has a job that puts them or other people around them in danger, they could put robots in, so it would be safer. And also, there's an ethical responsibility for the creator of the robot to ensure that the robot is safe and it causes no harm to the people using it. So that's really important.
After technology, a lot of people are going to be replaced in the workplace, and this could cause a big problem in unemployment society.
New jobs in the information technology industry are created.
All right, so for the social and ethical issues, first of all, we have reliability or the trustworthiness of a robot. So if you want to put some work to a robot, you have to ensure that they are actually working accurately as you wanted them to.
So the policies, how do we ensure the safety of people and the efficiency of robots? Because you never know if someone makes a robot and it has malfunction, it could put people or products at risk for anything.
The question is, are we going to still need people at the end when we have all those robots? People are going to maybe become lazy, and that could explain that our days people are more overweight than before.
The level of rational thinking that robots have differs from algorithms.
All right, and there are a lot of scenarios where robotic automation can be applied to, and the most significant one would be the car industry, where robotic automation is being used in assembly line jobs to replace workers and make the car industry more efficient.
Also, robots now they're going to become a big role in the medical field, specifically when it comes to heart surgery. So recently there's a system called the Vinci surgical system, and it involves small robots that help surgeons get to smaller, harder to reach areas during heart surgery. And instead of having a 1 foot scar left in the middle of your chest after surgery, you'll only be left with 3 1-centimeter scars in different sides of your chest. The first ever robotic surgery with no human help occurred in 2006 in Italy, and it was a total success. Also, patients experience much less pain after operations when robots are involved, and they experience a lot less blood loss.
The IT systems involve this. They're almost all involved, but the three main ones are hardware, software, and network.